Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome to Auto Repair guys. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear bumper on Mercedes W163, which will be the ML class from 98 all the way until 2005. Please guys subscribe, let's grow that channel together. We have many more videos and we have more than 70 videos on that vehicle probably on our channel, check them out. So what do we need to do? Open the trunk. You will not need to remove any tail lights or anything like that, but we had a video how to remove a tail light. You can see it's right there. So what we will need to do, we will need to remove that cap right here now. Okay, so there is 4 clips on this one, actually only 3 left. We'll need to remove the small caps on the back as well. Okay, they stay there, you just pull them out like that, and there is one more on this side. It's very simple procedure and it will take you probably less than 10 minutes to do it yourself. You will need to get a 10mm socket with extension. Okay, and now we'll need to go ahead and remove a bolt. Okay, this is the bolt and we actually dropped it inside, but it's fine, you can reach it from the back. That's what it looks like. Here we have 2 nuts. Okay, you can see how simple it is. Perfect. And now we have the bolt right here as well. Okay, this one is out now. Okay guys, so you can grab it now. Okay, and pull towards the back. Okay, like that. Make sure you hold it good, not to drop it. 2 people are recommended for this job at the end. And the bumper cover is out of there guys, as you can see. Super simple, super easy. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.